Hello, my name is Fiona, and I am a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Praxis Middle School Social Studies Test 5089? These practice questions cover the subtopic of geography. Let's review some of the types of questions you may encounter on the exam. Let's get started. Problem number 1. The theory that the physical environment shapes the nature of human society and cultural development is known as environmental Darwinism, spatial association, environmental determinism, or spatial diffusion. Let's review each. Darwin's theory refers to natural selection and the survival of the fittest, and transformations within the environment affecting various species as they adapted to these changes. So this is not applicable here. Next, spatial association explains how locations and values of samples vary across different settings. This too is not applicable. Let's cross that out. Skipping down to spatial diffusion. Spatial diffusion is a process whereby characteristics of landforms evolve due to changes in other locations and in other times. That's not the case here at all. So finally, environmental determinism. This theorizes that the environment and its physical features affect the pattern of human culture and development. That is exactly what we're talking about here. So this is indeed the correct answer. Problem number 2. Which of the following processes results in the formation of mountains? Glacialization, plate tectonics, erosion, or deposition? Let's go through each. As glaciers move across landscapes, they change the topography and create unique formations, but they don't create mountains. So that is not our answer. Next, I'm going to skip. Let's go to erosion. Erosion is a process where rocks break down due to either a chemical reaction, such as limestone dissolving as a result of carbonation, or a physical force such as water or wind. So the breaking down of rock is not the building of mountains. So we can cross that one out as well. Deposition, that's the layering of sediment carried by water, wind, or ice, and that will not create a mountain either. So let's look at the last one, plate tectonics. This theory provides an explanation as to how major landforms, such as mountain building, earthquakes, and volcanoes were created from the movement of these tectonic plates. So plate tectonics is definitely the correct answer here. Problem number 3. Which of the following technologies is commonly used to study population distribution and demographic trends? Oscilloscopes, spectrophotometers, geographic information systems, GIS, or seismographs? Let's go through each of these. Oscilloscopes. This test instrument is used in debugging and analysis, so that is not going to be the correct answer. Spectrophotometers. This instrument measures the intensity of light that is absorbed after passing through a sample solution. Definitely not this one either. GIS. This definitely looks like our best bet, given the name alone, but let's look at what it does. This computer system displays spatial relationships, including topography, providing a base for mapping and analysis. It is used across many disciplines. However, its primary use is to collate human activity and natural features. So study population distribution and demographic trends. This is definitely going to be the correct answer, GIS. But let's look at what a seismograph is. These are used to sense motion in the ground caused by earthquakes or volcanoes. So we know that's not going to be the correct answer either. It's definitely geographic information systems. Problem number 4. Which of the following factors determines the distribution of global ecosystems? Biological diversity, soil type, human activity, or climate? Let's define global ecosystem. This is the millions of species of organisms arranged in a multiplex pattern resulting from multiple environmental factors, including but not limited to chemical, predation, human interference, and competition between organisms. So let's review the answers again. Biological diversity. This is part of a global ecosystem, but it's not a determining factor in the distribution of global ecosystems. So that is not the correct answer. Soil type is also part of a global ecosystem, but not a determining factor for the distribution. And the same goes for human activity. The distribution of extensive ecosystems is climate contingent. Air pressure, latitude, and winds are critical factors that determine the climate of a specific location. So climate is definitely our answer here. I certainly hope I was able to answer your questions so that you now have a better understanding of the topics you can expect to find on the test. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.